I'm in my Flipgrid. I'm into the topic, and I'm going to show you how to download individual videos and compile them into one video. So I go to the student's name and I click the button Actions and I download the video. I select Download, and then the student's video comes up. And then I go into QuickTime Player, select Save, and I'm going to save it to a folder on my desktop so I can easily find it. And I name it the student's name so I know which student it is. And then I select Save. And when the name changes at the top, I know that I'm done. And I close out of that. And then I will continue doing it for the whole class. Okay, now I have all of the files downloaded. I'm going to go up to a Chrome extension that I have. You can get this at the Chrome extension store, and it's called Movie Studio Movie Maker. So I will open that, and it does take a few seconds to open. It has ads. It's a free uh, extension, so I can put up with seeing, Stop and Shop ads and whatever other ads there may be on it. And then we get here, and I'm going to make a video, so I need to add video, and I'm going to upload the file. And I go to the folder that I created. And I had the students email me so I know what order to put them in. So I know I need to do Lauren and Allison together with Lauren's first. So I'll select Lauren's and I will upload it. And then I just move it over to the screen, and there it is. Isn't perfect, but it works. And then I want to upload the next one. I'm not going to edit their clips. They're just going to be what they are. And I go back to videos and I choose then Allison's and upload hers. And some of you that maybe know how to do more video editing, could make this a little fancier. I just do the basics because I don't have that much time. And I'm going to move that over here. Of course, I forget how. So I'll just put it here, and then I can play with it. Put this one there, and I need more space. I don't know why it's not letting me butt up against there. So I can do it in two ways. You can put them either on the same layer, or you can have separate layers so that it plays one and then the next. And there, I can move it. Nope, I'm going to just leave it there. All right, so now I have my clips together, and I will look at projects often, export and save the project, or here we go, create my video. It's being generated. I'll pause this until it's done. All right, the video is ready. I have two options. I can upload it to YouTube or save in my Google Drive. You can decide what you would like to do. I tend to upload to YouTube, but really it's either option works. So I'll do that next and then come right back. Hi, I tried to do the YouTube and the Google Drive. Neither worked. So I open my video and I decide to save my video as.
Hi everyone.
Oops,
I work with Lauren M.
Let me shut off the video. Oh, I can't. All right. And I know this is the blue group.
So psychology.
And I'm going to put it into the file folder I created and save.
As well as adults.
The file is safely saved on my desktop. So now I'm going to go back to Flipgrid and to the course. And I want to create a new topic. And the topic title is the Blue Group Project Presentation. And they can have up to 5 minutes. We will hope. And I know that I want, please add your comments here. And I know those are all set. And so I want to upload a video as the resource. And I'm going to just import it. And it's the blue group.
Hi everyone. I worked with Lauren M.
And I know it's there. All right, next. Ooh, I'm just going to submit it. And while that's working, I'll shut this. That is complete, so I'll select complete. And then I can add an attachment. Okay, it has to be a Google document, so I'm going to have to upload the Google document and then put that in there, and that will be the handout the students created. I'll do that and be right back. All right, I have the files in Google Docs, so I'll open the file, and then I want to share. Can view. Get the shareable link, and I copy the link, and then I go back to Flipgrid, and I put the URL there, Blue Project handout or poster they were supposed to make, and then I create the topic. And I got it. So when students come in, they can watch the video and they can see the handout as they go just by selecting that. So I hope you found this helpful, although long video, and good luck.